For the module labeled Find Sinclair Library Sources on Gentrification Week 14, make sure you do the Read Me First Welcome Week 14. For the research question, make sure you watch both of the videos. Review the assignment instructions so that you know what you're writing about before you write the research question. This library assignment is long, so make sure you start it no later than today. You want to follow all of these steps. There are 5 of them. The first step is to visit the link. And if you notice the steps, the modules, it says Intro to Library, choosing a topic, types of sources, search strategies, evaluating info and using sources, numbers 1 through 6. Those are all here. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You want to make sure you take the quiz on Module 6 only. All of these do have a quiz, but you don't need to take it. I only want the one for number 6, using sources. And it does say that here. So make sure you take notes while you're going through each one of the modules because they have lots of pages. This one, using sources properly, has 43. So just take notes because you have an assignment at the end that says in 1 or 2, well, for step 4, it says in 1 or 2 MLA formatted paragraphs, explain what was most helpful in each section and what was least helpful. So without notes, you might not be able to do that. Then you have your homework, which will be due the 16th. Read the pages in the textbook and make sure you answer the discussion questionnaire. Then you have the research verbs that you will use or that you think you will use for your paper. And that's pretty much it for this week. You don't have a paper due Sunday. You just have a lot of reading and thinking to do. After you complete this library module assignment, you should be comfortable searching the Sinclair databases for sources for gentrification. If you're not, make sure you call the library and talk to the librarian so they can help you find sources for your paper because your assignment calls for you can use the source you did for the summary. That's one you can use, but that doesn't count for these 3 sources. Find at least 3 credible sources from the Sinclair Library. So after you complete the module, you should feel comfortable finding those sources, but if you don't, that's when you'll want to call the library to ask for help. Have a good rest of the week.